Kaluihan budaya Bali dahat ngedautin manah wisatawan saking panegara Amerika Serikat untuk nelasang galah liburan ipun ring Pulau Bali. Sekadi sane kebausang oleh Konsul Jenderal Amerika Serikat untuk RI di Surabaya, Mark McGovern.
Ring selah galah parikrama ke Gedung Pers Bali Ketut Nada Denpasar, Konsul Jenderal Amerika Serikat untuk RI di Surabaya, Mark McGovern mausang, pinaka tetujuan pengerah ipun ke Bali inggih punika antuk nincapang paiketan pantaraning Amerika Serikat sareng Indonesia. Pengerau Konsul Jenderal McGovern kesangre langsung oleh pimpinan kelompok media Bali Post Satria Narada, pemimpin redaksi Bali Post Online miwah Bali TV. Ngantos mangkin kuentenan paiketan panegara Amerika Serikat sarang Indonesia sampun ngranjing ring warse kaping pitung dasa siki sane taler keabdiang sida katincapang malih antuk widang ekonomi, budaya, wiadin pendidikan. Manut dane, Bali pinaka silih tunggil genah tetujuan wisata sane pinih luwih ring Indonesia. Tiosan pekantenan Palemahan, Bali taler maduwe budaya miwah dreste sane dahat ngulangunin manah sane ngawinang wisatawan Amerika kedaut antuk liburan ke Bali.
It's one of the things that I find most Americans are really attracted to when they come to Bali, to have a chance to experience a real local culture and to understand that, here's a place at Bali that has its own traditions and its own language, which is one aspect that makes, one of the many aspects that make Bali such a unique place to vacation and visit. I also think because of Bali's global status as a destination for tourism and for business, it attracts a lot of people here, not only for, the tourism aspects of the mountains, the oceans, the sea, the nightlife, but I think people are attracted here because the culture of Bali is so accepting, so diverse, and really open to all these different types of experiences. You have, one of the most interesting cultures here in Indonesia is here in Bali, and what a great place to expose people to Balinese culture.
McGovern ngowohin ageng nyane pengerah wisatawan Amerika Serikat ke Bali ngantos ngeranjing ring peringkat kelima. Punika mawinan paiketan nyane sampun sumeken antuk statan incapang paiketan kesarengin pemerintah Indonesia pemekal semajeng kerama Bali. Tim Liputan Bali TV.